If you're looking for a cheap, inexpensive way to make one of these homemade Zambonis, just look in your garage for anything that you might be thinking of taking to the dump. I found this old Swiffer, an old hockey stick that's too small for my kids right now, and I figured I don't even need to go to the store to get supplies. Like, I've been watching all these other YouTube videos. I can just put it together with stuff I already have at home. I got an old towel, cut it in half. Don't mind the cat, he has separation anxiety issues and will not leave me alone. And then just simply use some zip ties to attach the hockey stick onto the old Swiffer. This Swiffer has been broken and sitting in the garage just waiting to go to the dump, but because it's been locked down, we just haven't had a chance to take it there. It no longer sprays, so I'll just attach the hose to the pole and have the hose pour the water out as the towel wipes over the ice. Then simply just zip tie the hose to the handle and you're ready to go. Attach the hose to the inside faucet. This method really only works if you've got water close by. If you don't have a water source close by, you'll have to find something else to make this work. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. It took me about 3 minutes to make this and then about 5 minutes to completely do the ice surface. So it was well worth the time spent. And it was all made with things we already had in the house that we were going to throw away or give away anyway.